Hello everyone, welcome back to my daily art vlog and drawing of the day. A few days ago I I suggested that people could come with suggestions for what I could draw in my drawing of the day videos. And today I'm drawing the suggestion that is given by Dahlia. She was well, you will see what she suggested, or this is my interpretation of what she suggested. Thank you very much for the suggestion. It was funny because I have been thinking a lot about making some underwater or beneath the surface kind of illustrations and also to combine above and below the surface, the sea surface, the surface of the sea. And today it is this. Yeah, that's just funny that she suggested it. So that's what I'm making today. A fisherman that catches a tin box. A tin can, and some fish there underneath the surface. Fixing the inking here, I was a little quick, and I should have used a fine liner instead of the brush. Sometimes I don't think and I just do. Luckily this paper is it can take a little scratching. Never use normal copy paper if you're gonna do watercolors, because yeah, it's not gonna be a good result ever. I don't know. I don't think you can make anything look good on copy paper. So I have spent a lot of money on a lot of different kinds of paper. And I don't know what kind of paper this is. I'm using up all my remaining pieces of watercolor paper that I have lying around. And once I get them all used up, then I'll go and get some new paper, and I will use the same kind of paper for a long time after that. Just choose the best one for me. Some people like soft paper, some people like hard paper, more rough surface. I want something that has some texture to it, but that is a little soft. I don't like paper that is too flat. I need some mountains and valleys on it. But it doesn't have to be so dry as some of the artist paper can be. So I'm kind of looking around and experimenting and trying to think about what I'm going to invest in. Just gonna buy a ton of one perfect paper for me. It's a very personal choice. So I've created some warmer climate there on top of the or above the sea, so I made the boat a little warmer in the colors. And I try to keep everything cool and cold underneath the surface. Yeah, I think I did a good job. I'm happy about the result. Just making the final details with a colored pencil. And I think that is it. I don't think I need anything more. this is the finished result. Thank you very much for watching this video, and thank you, Dahlia, for your suggestion. Tomorrow I'll do another of the suggestions. And I hope to see you again tomorrow with another drawing of the day video. If you like this video, please remember to press the like button. See you tomorrow. Be well. Goodbye.